National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Northwestern Pike County in south-central Ohio, Highland County in south-central Ohio, Western Ross County in south-central Ohio, until 6 p.m. At 5:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles southwest of Hillsboro, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Rocky Fork Lake, Bourneville, Danville in Highland County, Marshall, Rainsboro, Lauderdale, Paint Creek State Park, Summit Hill, Knockemstiff, Russell, Morristown, Rocky Fork Point, Bainbridge, Hillsboro, Cynthiana, Highland Holiday, New Market, Berrysville, State Route 136 at US Route 62, and South Salem. You are listening